There are 7 parts of the sales process. These 7 parts largely determine everything that happens to you in life. So give yourself a grade of 1 to 10 on the 7 key result areas of selling. Number 1 is prospecting. If you're in sales and you talk to a lot of people, if you try more things and you're good at prospecting, you're going to be a big success. Because the probabilities are that you're going to make a lot of sales, you're going to recruit a lot of people, you're going to have a successful business. So that's number 1. Give yourself a grade of 1 to 10. 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest. 10 means that you're absolutely excellent at prospecting, and 1 means that you have a lot of work to do. Number 2 is establishing friendship and trust with other people. Remember, people are emotional. People will only listen to you if they like you and they feel positive towards you. And the more you like yourself, the more other people will like you. So give yourself a scale of 1 to 10. Do you have the kind of personality where you like everybody you meet and everybody likes you? Number 3 is identifying their needs by asking them questions and finding out what it is they want to accomplish with their life. What is it that they really want? What are their goals? What are their hopes and dreams with regard to what you sell? Once you're clear about what it is they need, it's much easier for you to show them your product or service. Number 4 is presenting. And this is where most sales are made, is when you make the presentation. When you show the person that what you are offering them will satisfy their needs better than anything else that they could look at. So all of good selling is to find out what people need and show them that your product or service will help them to get it. Number 5 is answering questions or objections. Every prospective customer has objections, and you have to learn how to answer those objections. So give yourself a scale of 1 to 10. At a 10, you are very good at answering questions. With a 1, you're not very good at all. Number 6 is closing the sale or getting people to take action. Many people think that if all they do is have a conversation with another person about the business, that's the same as selling. No, you are only selling when you can get the other person to make a commitment to take action. Remember, the commitment to action is the aim of all your activities. That is your goal, is to get other people to take action. And finally, number 7 is to give that person good service and good support so they not only buy more of your product, but they recommend other people to the business. They recommend other people to your product or service. So on a scale of 1 to 10, give yourself a grade and ask yourself, what is your weakest skill? Because this is what we've learned, is your weakest key skill sets the height of your income. Your weakest key skill in your business determines how much you earn. Let me ask you a quick question. If a group of children are going for a walk, which child sets the speed of the entire group of children? Well, the answer is it's always the slowest child. The whole group has to slow down for the slowest child. In your career, your weakest skill is your slowest child. Your weakest skill sets the speed at which you achieve all your other goals. So what you do is you say, the one skill that will help me the most is my weakest skill. Because if I bring that skill up, it'll help me to speed up toward my goal more than anything else.